Okay, so today I'm going to print myself a phone holder, which is called a SuperShooter. Designed it myself, of course, but I'll go down the list and find it. There we go, the 36mm SuperShooter. There we go. And we're on our way. Very, very short blade will set itself off, and away we go. I'm printing today on the Ender3 with 1.75mm PLA filament. So here we go, it's just starting up. Just going to make sure that the tape is fully flattened. It tends to peel up a little bit as the heat goes on. But here we go. Here we are, we're printing the general outline, and then it will fill in and gradually build up the phone holder. Okay, so we've just about done the first layer, 0.2mm. Once it's filled this last little bit, it'll go on to doing the outline again to build a little 0.2mm wall to sort of colour in between. The 36mm, by the way, is the diameter of the tube that receives the eyepiece. There we are, we're now up to 0.4mm. And we've done 2% of the SuperShooter. Well, here we are at 42%. It's coming along nicely. No problems with tape peeling up. Seems to be going well. It's just doing the lettering of SuperShooter. And here we are at 68%. We're going up the tube now. This is the bit that receives the eyepiece and holds the phone at 90 degrees. You can see the writing now, SuperShooter, there you are. And we'll come back a little later as it's near the end. Okay, there we are, that's finished. It's pulled out, we can take it off.
Yeah, boy.
And there we are, see.
Give the bug goodbye.
So here we've got all the parts we need. We've got the SuperShooter, there he blows. We've got the green felt that goes inside the tube. Got some elastic bands to hold the phone in position, and this is some rubber matting. I'll put it together and I'll show you what we've got. So here we have the completed article. Foam, rubber and elastic bands in place. Felt on the inside of the tube. Here's me Meade 25mm lens eyepiece, and that will go into there, ready to receive the phone. That fits into the draw tube. The phone slits on the top. Demonstration coming up. So here we have the phone looking through the eyepiece, and there you are. That's how it works. Cost me about well, I'm not going to tell you that. Okay, so that's the SuperShooter. Printed by yours truly.